When a late model vehicle enters the shop for a new set of tires, it's important to first check if the vehicle is TPMS equipped. If there is a direct TPMS system, the technician should inspect each sensor after the tire has been removed to make sure that everything is working properly. Once the inspection is complete, the technician should then remove each TPMS sensor and rebuild the valve components using the TPMS service kit. This important step is often skipped in many shops, but is vital to ensuring the safety of the vehicle and its passengers. Finding the right service kit can be difficult, and confusing service kits are often stored in disorganized plastic boxes with too many part numbers and too many parts. Introducing the Universal TPMS Service Kit program from Alligator. Our engineers have thoroughly studied the vast array of TPMS designs and components and combined them into two kits that provide 98% coverage of today's passenger cars. One kit is for rubber valve stems, and one kit is for metal valve stems. When servicing a TPMS sensor with a metal valve stem, you utilize the U1 kit. Each U1 kit provides all the components necessary to service the various styles of metal valve stem sensors available on the market. By consulting the instruction manual included in the box, you can determine which components you need for a successful rebuild of the sensor and which parts you can ignore. When servicing most TPMS sensors with a rubber valve stem, you can utilize the U2 kit, which features a TPMS-compatible rubber valve stem. By only having two kits in the system, inventory management and product selection becomes faster and easier. With an Alligator Universal Service Kit program, you can increase efficiency and deliver professional results. For more information about Alligator TPMS products, visit alligator-tpms.com.